Looking for a premium 4K laser projector? Meet the XGIMI Titan Noir Max 4K laser projector, delivering stunning 4K visuals, vibrant colors, and a true cinematic experience. Let's check it out. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the XGIMI Titan Noir Max 4K laser projector, a remote control, a power cord, a mounting bracket, thick and thin foot screws, a projector lens cap, batteries for the remote, plus a user guide and warranty card to help you get started. Product overview. Remote control. Projector, figure, how to pair. Place the projector on a stable surface, connect the power cord to a power outlet, then press the power button on the projector or remote. Wait a few moments for the projector to start up. Bring the remote close to the projector, then press and hold the back and home buttons together until the pairing screen appears. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Bluetooth pairing. Choose your preferred language, connect the projector to your Wi-Fi network, sign in to your Google account, and accept the prompts to finish the initial setup and access smart features. The projector will automatically focus the image when powered on. If needed, open the projector settings to manually fine-tune the focus and keystone correction for the clearest, best-aligned picture. Smart features. Experience stunning true 4K UHD resolution powered by advanced RGB triple laser technology. Enjoy exceptional brightness, vibrant colors, deep contrast, and razor-sharp details that bring movies, sports, and games to life. The built-in optical zoom allows you to adjust the screen size without physically moving the projector. It maintains full image clarity and sharpness, making installation more flexible and convenient. The intelligent dual iris system automatically adjusts light output based on each scene. This enhances contrast, improves black levels, preserves bright highlights, and delivers a more realistic viewing experience. Take your gaming to the next level with ultra-low input lag, high refresh rate support, and smooth motion handling. Combined with a massive 4K display, it delivers fast, responsive, and immersive gameplay. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.